Hi everyone, it's Megan from Lakeshore. Today we're going to talk about supporting e-learning with hands-on practice. Let's get started. E-learning has been a valuable tool to help navigate these challenging times, especially if your child continues to have teacher-led instruction and collaboration with their classmates. To help support e-learning, no matter what platform your child is using, it's a great idea to incorporate hands-on learning activities and materials. Children achieve deeper learning when they're actively involved with what they're learning. When children manipulate an object, they use their senses and they make connections. Hands-on learning is perfect for this. Now I'm going to share 4 hands-on activities for language and math. You can incorporate these activities to support what your child is already doing during their e-learning lessons. Activity number 1, shaving cream writing. If your child is working on letter formation, spelling words, or sight words, shaving cream writing is the perfect hands-on way to practice these skills.
Spray some shaving cream on a baking sheet. Have your child smooth it out. Then use their finger to write in the shaving cream. Give your child letters or words to practice. You can put the shaving cream in a plastic sandwich bag and zip it closed securely for a more contained activity.
For older learners, practice writing challenging words or dictate large numbers for them to practice place value. Activity number 2, letter hunt. To support language e-learning lessons, hide magnetic letters around your home. If you don't have magnetic letters available, you can write letters on index cards or pieces of paper. Then ask your child to hunt to find the letters. As they find each one, have them identify the letter and the sound it makes. Once all the letters have been collected, ask your child to build as many simple 3-letter words as they can. Words like cat, dog, and rug. To use this activity for older learners, try hiding several nouns, verbs, and adjectives around the room, like park, walking, and sunny. Once your child has found and read all of the words, have them sort the words by parts of speech. You can make a chart with each category, nouns, verbs, and adjectives, and have your child sort them there. Activity number 3, math card games. A deck of cards is a great way to support e-learning math lessons in a hands-on way. Your child can practice number identification and counting using one-to-one correspondence. You can also play partner games related to comparing numbers and addition. First, remove all of the jokers, aces, and face cards. Our first game is called the Comparing Numbers game.
First, deal all of the cards. Each player holds their cards in a stack face down. Then each player turns over one card from the top of their deck and places it on the table. Compare the numbers. The player with the greater number wins both cards. If there is a tie, place 2 more cards face down and turn over the third. The player with the greater third card wins all of the cards on the table. If your child is struggling to compare the numbers, try having them look at the number representations on the cards and compare the 2 groups.
You can also play the addition race game. This is a great way to practice addition fluency.
The addition race game is played the same way as the comparing numbers game. Except this time, when each player turns over one card, it's a race to add the 2 cards together. The first player to slap their hand on the cards and say the sum correctly is the winner and gets to collect both cards. If your child needs help, encourage them to count the number of hearts and clubs, for example, on the cards all together to find the answer.
To expand the addition race game for older learners, try turning over 4 cards and adding all 4 of them together. This is a great way to practice adding with multiple add-ins. You can also replace addition with multiplication and play a multiplication race game. These ideas are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to hands-on learning activities. But what's nice about these, they're simple, they take little to no prep work, and you probably have most everything you need around your house already. And remember, You can always adjust the activities for the age of your child or the skill that they're learning. I hope these ideas were helpful. Happy learning!
Keep watching our Learning at Home videos. Plus, visit lakeshorelearning.com for thousands of free resources.